Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel, and today I have some exciting news. This has been the most requested in my DMs, in my Instagram, even under my comments for me to do an eyebrow tutorial. So I want to show you guys how I do my eyebrows, and I won't be able to talk as much because I haven't mastered to do a voiceover, so I don't want to go ahead and do that and mess up the whole video. So this will be sped up, but I'll try my best to show you guys all the products that I use to achieve the way I do my eyebrows. So let me just go ahead and show you everything before, but I'll show you like in the clips during, so you guys can really see what I use. So I use the brow cream that I use is by Kiss. It's called Top Brow. So this is how it looks, and I have it in the color chocolate, which is KBCM05. So that's what I will be using. And as far as the not foundation, but as far as the concealer, I would be using Ruby Kisses as well, and I have this in the color RDF09. And the brushes I'll be using, these are not like name brand, but some of them are, some of them not. So you could use whatever is in your preference. So let me just show you all of the ones that I will be using. So of course, let's see, I think I'm missing one. Yes, I was. Okay, so you need an angle brush. I use I think it's Real Techniques buffing brush. It's 210. I also use Ruby Kisses concealer brush, and then I think they call these spoolies. I'm not sure what they call these, but the eyebrow brush, that's what I'm gonna call it. And I also use like another brush to help blend it out first before I use my buffing brush. So yeah, to help it blend out a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and do this together. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully I do good, because this is like my little first kind of mini makeup slash tutorial. So I'm gonna try my best, and just guys, just go ahead and watch, and see you guys in the outro. Love you guys. Okay guys, so I am back and this is the finished result. I didn't record the whole makeup eyeshadow look because my camera does not have that much memory with the memory card I do have, and the battery is gonna die. It's just gonna do too much. So right now I can't do this type of look as of yet, but I am gonna plan on starting to do makeup tutorials, but just like basic look. I'm not like a professional, but I do try, and it's time consuming, so it's gonna take time. I think I really love this look. I actually brought this palette from my local beauty supply store. It's Ruby Kisses Topaz Nudes. So this is how it looks, and here are the colors inside. The colors that I did use was this one here, this one on top, this one towards the bottom, and this one here, and a little bit of both of these. So more so like the whole palette pretty much, except for these two. Yeah, and I brought this for like $2.99 at my local beauty supply store. So this is all drugstore look. So let me do a close-up. Okay, so I think she's so cute. I'm saying she's so cute, and I'm she. I'm so used to doing like wig reviews and, you know, calling the unit she, her, so I'm so used to doing that. But I think this look is so cute, and it matched my top. I just found a nice little top that I never worn in a long time, and so I thought, you know, this will make the makeup pop. But I think it looks so good. I really did good, and I have not did like an eyeshadow look in years. I only did it like once or twice for like my birthday, and I'm not saying I'm not good in it. Like, I am good at doing eyeshadow looks. It's just time consuming. I'm not a pro, it's gonna take time, but you know, I make sure that it comes out like the real, you know, the real MUAs, you feel me? The real MUAs. I'm like the mini MUA, but I'm more so on the hair side. I like doing the hair than the makeup. But if you guys think I slayed, just give me a thumbs up. So pretty much this was an eyebrow tutorial, so you guys did see how I did my eyebrows, and this is just the finished look of everything together, how I wanted this look, this face to look with the makeup, with the eyebrows. So I tried my best with the eyebrow tutorial. Of course, you know, my setup is not 100%, but hopefully you guys did catch the concept of the products I use. Everything will be down in the description box below. If you want me to include this as well, I will go ahead and do that. But as far as for the eyebrow portion, I'll put everything down below. Brushes, I really won't put the brushes because some of the brushes don't even have any names. But as far as just the pomade brow cream and the concealer that I use, and you can use any concealer, you don't have to use the same brow cream. Like for example, I do have another one here, which is the NYX Tame and Frame, so you can use this one too. I just brought this one, so I haven't used that one yet, but this is actually my favorite one. Kisses, I think it's by Ruby Kisses if I'm not mistaken, and I brought that at my local beauty supply store for like $5.99 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, you can use any concealer. You can even use the LA Girl Pro. Normally, sometime I use that as well if I run out of the Ruby Kisses concealer. But I think that's about it for this review or tutorial. I said review. Tutorial. But if you guys like this look, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and follow my channel, Mimi Carvel Beauty. It's the one with the beauty, because I do have 2 pages. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye. See you soon.